In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lead form in Google Ads. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's go right into it. To begin, open your web browser and head to the Google Ads website. When you do this, you are not only accessing a tool that helps you reach new customers, but you are also taking the first important step toward better managing your online advertising campaigns. Once the Google Ads homepage appears, locate the option to sign in. Clicking on sign in will take you to the login interface where you enter your credentials and proceed into your account. If you are already signed into your Google account, then this process may happen automatically, allowing you to access your account dashboard with ease. This step ensures that you are securely logged in and ready to work within the platform. After successfully signing into your account, you will want to navigate to the home area of Google Ads. The homepage is designed to give you a quick overview of your advertising performance, as well as access to various tools and settings, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Finding your way around the homepage will help you quickly locate other sections of the dashboard as you progress through your lead form setup. Now that you have a solid understanding of your account dashboard, the next phase is to move over to the campaigns section. This is where all your advertising campaigns are listed and managed. Simply click on the navigation link that leads you to campaigns. Here you have the option to view each campaign you have set up, and you can also create new campaigns if needed. Being in the campaign section allows you to see how your different efforts are performing, and it sets the scene for integrating a lead form into one of these campaigns. Following this, the interface provides you with an option to look for assets. By clicking on the assets section, you gain access to a range of creative tools and elements that are essential to your advertising efforts. This section is important because it houses various assets that can be directly linked to your campaigns, enhancing their appeal and effectiveness. Take your time to explore the assets area so you can understand how Google Ads enables you to integrate different multimedia components with your advertisement. The final step in this tutorial involves clicking on the lead form option found within the assets section. Selecting lead form is the key action that allows you to capture customer details directly through your advertisement. This tool is particularly useful for businesses looking to generate direct leads from their online advertising efforts. Once you access the lead form feature, you will be guided through a short process to customize the form to suit your business needs. By following these instructions in order, you ensure that your lead form is properly added and integrated within your campaign. This systematic approach not only saves time but also helps to avoid any potential errors during setup. Enjoy the process of setting up your advertisement enhancements with Google Ads and take advantage of the powerful lead generation tool available within the platform.